It's Thursday. Just having a quick look at these walls down here because I believe they need a bit of love and care. I think we're supposed to be stopping here, obviously concentrating on these lower walls for a minute. But as you can see, well, I don't know if you can see really, but it's a bit leany. It's a bit of a Pisa. But yeah, you can see at the top there, it's just ivy again. This is the problem. People let ivy grow when you've got walls and just don't let things grow. That will be in the wall, like right in the heart of the wall. And you can keep pulling it out. You can keep doing what you want to do, but without actually taking it down, removing it, getting all the stuff out, and yeah, basically rebuilding it. You can't get rid of it really. Look, as you can see, this side's even worse. Oh, literally gone. It's a shame because that isn't such an. I don't actually know how old this wall is, but all I know it is an old wall. Absolutely beautiful, because this local stone is quite rough. If you watch my other videos, to get stone like that takes a lot of time and a lot of, do you know what I mean, love and care, and do you know what I mean? Not like normally we do when we do these old wall rebuilds. Like, the stonework is nothing like this. If we actually ever rebuilt this section, it ain't going to take long to do. It's beautiful. It's like using bricks. Absolutely stunning. I believe it was pointed, actually looking at it, because you can sort of see. But I think, like, you know, it's over the time. Obviously the ivy's knocked off like the outer layer of lime, if you know what I mean. We can see there, look, it's all bulging now. The bottom sort of 2/3 is all right, all the way along the wall. It's just obviously the top bit, you can see obviously where the ivy's growing out of, it's just expanding it and it's all moving. But no, these walls carry on for days. But all the way along, look at it, lovely. So you can see a bit more of a pointed section here, which is obviously, you know, but it's still got sprouts of ivy, so I wouldn't be surprised, you know, the ivy goes all the way through. Little old gateway here. But yeah, it's quite a thin wall, you know what I mean? It's quite a thin wall for the height. But look, same again. It's a shame. It really is a shame, because these walls would have lasted a lot longer if they were sort of, you know, kept free of ivy and brambles and shrubs and plants growing in them. Have a quick look around here. Let's go through the forest. Ow! Ow, I didn't see that was holly. But yeah, let's look at it. I can't believe the stone. I literally can't. It's lovely. Like I say, we do a lot of jobs around this area, and the stone is like, you'd be lucky to get anything near a square. You know, absolutely beautiful stuff. It's good to see. And on some of the stone, you can see like the old scutch marks and that. So it's definitely sort of, you know, hand dressed, you know what I mean? But I will try and find out how old these walls are, because like I say, they go for days. Like I said, they just literally carry on going and going. Got to be careful around here because there's so many badger holes. It twisted my ankle about 3-4 times. But yeah, so I believe that isn't going to be part of this phase, because we're quite limited on time for this job. But we are going to be coming back to just reset the tops and that. Probably a bit more of a cosmetic job. But like I say, it's just, you know, you can't guarantee none of this, can you, without rebuilding it. But anyway, Pat's cracked on with this half, like I said yesterday. So that is just weighting the tops, which are going to be like that. We are trying to save some of the big stones and that. But yes, so this is all done here. Quickly jump back over for the minute. This down here, I didn't really explain it because I didn't really know what was going on yesterday. This down here is going to come out as a square. So we are bringing it out. So we might just obviously build up one side, because the other side's right. It's actually a bench, if you look. Okay, come over here. But I think we're just going to knock the whole thing down. We were just going to try and say, but we've explained to the client that it just needs taken out and just redoing, because sometimes it's actually a lot quicker to rebuild it than do this, do you know what I mean? Just sort of try and clad onto old stuff. But yeah, so the wall's going to come down here to a corner. Bench is going to be here. The wall's going to be slightly higher, obviously, for like backrest, etc. And obviously like the tops will be the same along here. Then it'll go down to obviously that wall. So yesterday we cracked on with that half. That is all up to height, just like this half. So today I'm going to be cracking on with this bit here. Just get that up to the same height as that. Lovely jubbly. So hopefully the weather holds out. We're supposed to get a bit of rain, but fingers crossed we don't. Anyway, without further ado, let's crack on, go slurp some tea down, and yeah, let's get this baby up today. We'll try and get that second wall up, and that'll be lovely jubbly. Whoa, beautiful old tree. And just like that, another day done. Righty, so I'm just off finished height. You can just see there, it's one more thin course this side. The other side is the same. So yeah, just literally, well, you can see the line there. That's got a thinner course actually. Look, oh, right little slivers to go in there. But yeah, so tomorrow, finish that off. So that is all done. Then the rest of the wall's all done. We have started to prepare this end. I believe this pillar is going to come down at some point, but I'm just going to leave it alone. So what we're going to do now is, well, what we started to do is just clear off this end bit. So the wall is just, well, you can just see it there, just below the pillar. Actually, no, it's the height of that pillar, because obviously a top needs to go on the pillar. So that little stone there is the height of this one. And yeah, get that up, lovely jubbly. So fingers crossed it doesn't rain. We've literally just had a bit of a shower. But it is clearing up there, but I've just checked the forecast. It is supposed to be pretty bad tomorrow, like thundery showers like. So we'll bring some cover in, and obviously try and protect it. But, you know, we've got a little bit to do there. If I try and smash that out tomorrow, get that, then that wall's done then, lovely jubbly, do you know what I mean? So yeah, it's a bit of a weird way of doing things, this one, but I think things are just getting agreed as we go, you know what I mean? We've got a certain time frame to get stuff done, and I think, like, yeah, the client's just trying to make the most of us basically. But lovely jubbly, Thursday done, roll on Friday, fingers crossed we have no rain, and yeah, we can crack on. Anyway, thank you for watching, take care, and I will see you in a bit.